So my PayPal got temporarily limited, but I fixed it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happened and how I've been able to fix up my PayPal account that got temporarily limited and everything you need to know. So watch the video till the end. So as of few days ago, I got this email when I received the payment, right? I received the payment from a company. So this is from Propeller Ads. I received this payment, right? So after I received this payment, what happened? I got another email immediately that told me that says that my account is temporarily limited. That's what this is actually talking about. As you can see here, we need your information with a quick review of your account. We try to provide our customers with seamless, user-friendly. All of this information is that I should provide my information so that my account can get back to working 100%. So, and it says here, how long will it take? We'll contact you within 3 days with the outcome of the review. That means after I've submitted all the details, they'll contact me. What can you do with your account? During this review, we try to keep as many of your account features available as we can, but the following features are temporarily unavailable. We are sorry for the inconveniences. So the big one, I'll be unable to send money and I'll be unable to withdraw money as well. What am I doing with the account if I can't send money and withdraw money? That means the money can enter the account, but I would literally do nothing with it. So that means I need to provide those details. As you can see, it says here, if we don't hear from you by the 7th of December 2025, we may need to make additional features unavailable. That means if I don't respond to this mail, or I don't submit, or I don't provide what they ask me to provide, they can actually make some of my account or most of my account features, or even permanently limit my account and lock all the funds right there. So I got scared, but not so scared because I know exactly what to do. So because don't forget, they asked me to provide this document. So I'm going to tell you what the documents are. So the documents they asked me to provide, it's simple. They asked me to provide my identity document and also provide my document for my business and why I received the payment or what the payment is for. So all of these details are the reason why we say whenever you're creating your account, make sure you create it legitimately. Don't go ahead using fake stuff, right? So keep watching. Let me show you exactly what I'm telling you. So after I got this mail, so what do you think I did? I immediately submitted all of the account details, all of the details they asked me. As you can see here, this is mail I got that says here your information is being reviewed. The information you submitted is currently being reviewed by PayPal. Once we complete our review, we will get back to you regarding the status of your account within 3 business days. And don't worry, I'm going to walk you through details. I'm just trying to narrate the whole story to you, so keep watching. So after I got this mail, I waited for them, and the big one, after a while, I got this one. So this is actually a very fantastic news. Your account has been restored. So this is exactly what a lot of people have been asking me. How can I be able to rectify my PayPal issues? How can I have my account restored and everything working 100%? As you can see here on the screen, it says your account is restored. We'll review your information, and I've removed the limitations placed. You will now be able to access any feature that was limited before. We appreciate your patience and helping us resolve this issue. So if you have been looking for a way to get your PayPal account restored, or how to solve your temporarily limited PayPal account, watch the video to the end. Let me show you exactly what I did. So come over here to your PayPal. First thing you need to know is to make sure whenever you are creating your PayPal account, you are creating it with informations or legit informations, your name. Okay, if you're not using your name, whichever name you're using, make sure you have documents to back it up. Okay, so make sure you have the identity document to back it up, and the purpose of using that PayPal. Okay, if it's for withdrawing payments, make sure you know that okay, whenever you're getting payment, you can able to prove that this payment, yes, is coming from so place and it's legitimate, the person authorized the payment. Okay, so make sure you have that. Okay, number 2 thing is avoid disputes. So if you go over to your PayPal account, make sure people are not disputing payment. And if you have anyone, come over to settings here, go to account settings, and if you have any resolutions or disputes, make sure to resolve them amicably. You and the person to settle. Go ahead, settle with the person. If you need to do refund the person to make sure your account is good. So if you come over here to dispute preference, you see that customer service message. This will be shown to your customer when they try to leave a case file, so you can always update this, but make sure your account has no dispute. Okay, that will actually make sure that your account is stays long, and you are not going to have issues that regards to your account being temporarily limited. Now, if your account has been temporarily limited, how can you have it back? That is exactly what some people will be asking me. How can I have the restoration button? So one thing you need to do is, once your account is being limited, you're going to have a notification on your PayPal account that says click here, so that you can resolve it. So whenever they click on it, they are going to ask you some information. In my own details, what I just used is my identity document, and for that I used my international passport. Now, if you have a driver's license, that actually works as well. Whatever document you have to prove that yes, the name on the PayPal account is my name, then you provide that. Okay, if it's not your name, whichever name you use, make sure you have identity document to back it up. Now, remember, the payment they are asking me was this payment that came from Propeller Ads, and it was $50, right? This is the payment. Now let me even show you. So the payment is actually from a brand. So what I did was simple. I just took the conversations I have with the brand, the emails I have with them, okay, before they sent me the payment. I just uploaded them, and PayPal saw it was legitimate, because it was actually legitimate. Okay, so as you can see here, this was the transaction that actually wanted to get me in trouble with the PayPal, but after a while PayPal fixed it. Okay, so that's good. So make sure you always have ways to back up your payment, especially if you're using platforms. Okay, so we also receive payment from Fiverr and the likes, and we also make payment to Contabo and so many companies. So make sure if you're using your PayPal account, you're able to account for a lot of things that happen on the account. You can prove a lot of things. Now you can be able to even provide all of these things and have all of the documents, and your account still get permanently limited. Sometimes PayPal is like that, but most of the times when you have all of these documents, make sure you reach out to a customer service. And how can you reach out to a customer service? You can actually click here and go to message center. Now this message center is going to take you to the customer service center, and you can tell them about your problems, provide them with the documents you have, and they can actually assist you. But I'm not guaranteeing you that they are going to help you, because sometimes I don't even like them, but I mean, most times they actually help you to resolve all of the issues you will have with your PayPal. So that's exactly how I was able to, have my account going from temporary limitations to account restoration. So if you have similar problem, go ahead, tell me in the comments if this method I told you actually works. Now the method I showed you is simple. Provide the document they ask you. If it's identity document, I use my international passport. Use your international passport. Make sure the name on the account matches with the name on the document. Now, if they ask you for transaction, reason for the transaction, take a screenshot of the conversation you have with the person that want to pay you, and then show it to them as proof. Especially if it's a service you're offering or something, or it is from a platform like Fiverr, then just go ahead, screenshot your Fiverr transaction platform and show them. And that should work. Okay, if they ask you for more details like provide this, provide that, then you can go ahead to message their support center, and they can direct you on exactly what to do and how you can actually go about it. So those are the method, and they are pretty much straightforward and simple to actually use. Okay, so tell me if what I just said actually makes sense, or if it actually works for you. Sometimes some people say this thing doesn't work for them. I mean, I tell people that PayPal issues is different almost all the time. What works for you might not work for me. What works for me might not work for you. So, but at the same time, you need to make sure you follow all of the details I've showed you, because these are, whether it works or not, these are the things you need to follow to make sure your account is in good standings. Okay, so if your account is temporarily limited and you want to get this email as quick as possible, your account has been restored, follow all the things I've showed you so that you can actually get this stuff that says your account has been restored, and how you can fix your PayPal temporary limitations. This video was helpful, isn't it? Please like, subscribe, share, tell a friend about our channel so that we can actually grow. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to be making many more videos, so stay tuned, stay subscribed. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much. I'll be in the comments if you have anything, or if there's something I didn't cover in here. The comment is open. Tell me. I'll make sure I reply you and give you the proper information if you actually need one. Thank you very much.